In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how I started with high-ticket affiliate marketing. So if you are a complete beginner, you are in the right place because I'm going to show you step by step how I did to get started with this business model. So maybe you know that affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products. And basically, you just need to send traffic to your affiliate link. And if someone buys through that link, you can make a commission. And I have been promoting this training, the 72-hour challenge and Freedom Accelerator. This is a high-ticket affiliate marketing training. So I'm going to click here so you can see these are all the lessons, how to build an affiliate stacking ecosystem. And that means how to promote multiple affiliate products when you collect an email address. For example, the phase one is the 4 phases to freedom. Then how to build the automated sales system, so they have to done for you systems. You can download it for ClickFunnels or System.io. Also, you need to buy your own domain, and you have here all the steps. Once you have set up that system, you need to start sending traffic to it, and you can do it by creating short form videos. Also, you can do it by creating AI videos, also uploading videos on Instagram, creating videos on Facebook Reels. And if you don't like to create content, you can study this module, how to close sales with Facebook Messenger. They have a whole bunch of lessons about how to grow YouTube and how to use YouTube to drive traffic to your system. Then how to increase conversions, how to create your own offer, and the last phase is how to automate and scale that business. So basically, what I did is that I bought this challenge because I wanted to know how to start high ticket affiliate marketing the right way. And so I promote this, and as you can see in the screen, I have sent to this company 104 referrals. These are my clicks. My customers, I have 14 customers, and these are the unpaid earnings. So this company paid 35% because they have a sales team that helps you to make sales with this training. So one cool thing about high ticket affiliate marketing is that you need to use this knowledge, the value ladder. So basically, when you start promoting a high ticket affiliate marketing offer, it's better to do it with a low ticket. For example, let's say a $9 product. Then they have upsells, for example, $297. Then let's say they have an upsell for $100. And the last step is the high ticket, $14.97. So when you promote high ticket products, it's better to do it through the system, because once you give a referral to this company, and if they buy the low ticket or these upsells or the high ticket product, you can make commissions in all of these steps. So basically what you need to do is send referrals to the company, and they have their own system to promote their products and close the sales. That is why high ticket affiliate marketing is one of the best business models, because you can make commissions in all steps. And for example, here on the referrals tab, you can check all the emails that you have sent to the company. The rewards are the sales, and the payouts is when the company pay you the commissions. Now, one important thing to succeed with this business model is to have your own funnel. For example, what I did is that I downloaded the Done for You system. They have this for ClickFunnels. So I went here, then in Action 1, I downloaded the 7 steps ebook birch page and also this ebook to give this ebook as a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that you give in exchange for the email, because it's very hard that people put their email if they are not getting something. So this company allows his affiliates to download and give this ebook. Also, they have more funnels, bridge page funnel 1 and 3, but the mainly that I use is this one, and I'm going to show you. This is my ClickFunnels account. ClickFunnels is a software to build this sales funnel. A sales funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. And I'm going to click here on Edit Page because I want to show you all the components of an opt-in page or a landing page. So the first page, the objective is to collect an email. And that is important because some people just send traffic to their affiliate links. But if you want to have a long-term affiliate business, you need to collect first of all the email. Because once you have the email, you can promote multiple offers. So the components of a landing page is the title, and this needs to be a really good title. Also, it has this button, and when people click free ebook download, I can collect the email and the name, and if they want, they can write here their phone number, but more importantly is the email. Then I have here information, a picture of the ebook, and my own photo because I want people to know that I'm promoting this training. The next step, when people put their information, they will go to the second page, in which I tell them that please check their email because I'm going to send the ebook. And the third page is the bridge page. And this page is important because it has my video. And in that video, I'm explaining the product, which is the challenge. And also, I have here this button. And when people click this button, they will go, let me show you, to this link. And that is the link for the 72-hour challenge. So I'm promoting this challenge, and when people put their name and email address, I have here referrals. And if they put their information, if they just click it, I have here the number of clicks. Then this software, ClickFunnels, is going to send that information to another software, which is GetResponse. And here I can promote multiple products through email, because once you have an email list, for example, I'm going to show you, I started to promote a new training, the Secrets of Success of Russell Brunson, and I'm promoting this link. And also, so this is the link if anyone wants to promote this online platform. But I'm promoting the landing page, which is this one, the Bibliomania video landing page. And I'm sending emails, as you can see, every day, promoting this launch, because this is a new program or a new training that Russell Brunson has launched. So, and they pay 40% commission, and they have a 2-tier. So that means if anyone who is one of my referrals has a sale, I can make 10% of their sales. So that is why this system is powerful, and I'm promoting this because also I about the access to the secret of success, and I'm